Ever found yourself staring at a tempting street food stall or needing to pay for that urgent ride, only to realize you left your wallet at home? And then, you think, GrabPay. If only I had that activated already. But then the question hits you, like a sudden traffic jam: how long does it actually take to get GrabPay up and running? Is it a matter of minutes, hours, or days? We've all been there, haven't we? That moment of frustration, that flicker of impatience when we need a digital payment solution now. The world moves at lightning speed, and we expect our transactions to do the same. So, let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the point. First, it's crucial to understand that getting GrabPay isn't a single, uniform process. It's more like a journey with a few checkpoints. The initial step, of course, is downloading the Grab app and creating an account. If you've already got that sorted, congratulations. You're already partway there. Now, let's talk about the activation of your GrabPay wallet itself. This is where most of the waiting, if any, occurs. In many cases, if you're linking a debit or credit card, it can be almost instantaneous. You enter your card details, verify them, and boom, you're ready to roll. The app usually prompts you through a quick verification process, which often involves a small, temporary charge to your card, immediately reversed to ensure it's valid. However, sometimes things are a little more involved. If you're opting for a method that requires further verification, such as linking a bank account or providing additional identification, the timeline can extend. This is where the days part of our question comes into play. For instance, if Grab needs to verify your identity through documentation, it might take a business day or two for them to process and approve it. This is standard procedure, designed to protect your account and ensure security. In some regions, additional verification might be required to comply with local regulations, which can also add to the processing time. Another factor that can influence the timeline is the method you choose to top up your GrabPay wallet. If you're using instant online banking or card payments, the funds will usually reflect immediately. But if you're opting for a method that involves manual bank transfers or other less direct routes, you might need to wait for the transaction to be processed, which can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of business days. So, to summarize, in the best-case scenario, if you're linking a card, you could be using GrabPay within minutes. If you're dealing with additional verification or bank transfers, it might take 1 to 2 business days. And in rare cases, if there are unforeseen issues or delays, it could potentially take a little longer. The key takeaway here is to be prepared. Have your documentation ready if needed, and choose a top-up method that suits your urgency. And remember, patience is a virtue, especially in the digital age. Ultimately, the goal is convenience and security. GrabPay aims to provide both, and while there might be a slight waiting period in some cases, the benefits of having a versatile digital wallet at your fingertips are undeniable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.